Hello and welcome to this introductory video on Sublime Text 3. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite beginner-friendly features that I've found while using the program. Before we even begin, let's choose a fun and unique color scheme. Sublime has several built-in and hundreds that you can easily install. Let's first go through the pre-installed themes by going to the command palette under Tools. Then type in Theme and select UI Color Scheme. Use the arrow keys to preview the themes. If these aren't to our fancy, we can install as many more as we would like. Go back to the command palette, type Install and select Package Control Install Package. Type Theme and presto. There's a lot more themes. You can't preview them here, so read the descriptions. But after you click on one of them, you can go back to the command palette, type Theme like we did before, and then back to UI Color Scheme. Should see the new theme right there. I'm going to pick this one. Now that we're feeling fancy, let's create an HTML and CSS file to demonstrate the next package that I'm going to show you. To do that, go to File, New File, then go back to File and Save As. We probably want to put our materials from today in their own folder, and I'm going to do that on my desktop. I'm just going to call mine testing.html, but you can call yours whatever you'd like, as long as it has the .html extension after the name. After you've done that, let's do that again. So File, New File, then go back to File, then Save As, and this time make sure it's a CSS extension. Seeing that we have those made now, here's a little Sublime trick that's going to make our life easy. On the HTML document, just type HTML. Bam! See just how it filled in all the basic HTML information? Neat stuff. Now we can get to coding our basic website, putting in the title name, and let's not forget to connect the style sheet by typing link rel equals quote the name of your style sheet. So in this case, it's going to be testingstyles.css and quote, and then close that guy off. That's going to be important for our package. I'm also going to do a little H1 header here. Hello world. Yes, I like that. The other package I think y'all would enjoy is called Livestyle. What it does is it updates web pages as I style them. Unfortunately, it doesn't automatically update as you write content in the HTML file, but this is still very nice and very useful. To get Livestyle, you're going to have to go to livestyle.io and follow the instructions there, which are pretty straightforward. You do a few things like copy some code into Sublime, install the Livestyle package, just like we did with the color themes. You also need Chrome and the extension. Okay. Now that we got everything installed in both Sublime and Chrome, we can watch the magic happen. Go back to your desktop or wherever your HTML file is and open that up in Chrome. You're also going to want to open the developer panel by pushing F12, Control-Shift-I, or by clicking the little three dots in Chrome in the upper right and going to More Tools and Developer Tools. This needs to be open for Livestyle to work consistently, so I just grab this little bar and squish the Dev Tools to the side. When you click on the Livestyle icon, it'll have a little slider to enable updates. Make sure that's on. Then you're also going to want to make sure that the CSS page we have linked is also recognized by Livestyle. So you're going to go to this drop down here and select that. We should be good to go. Make some edits to the CSS file and you'll see them automatically update in your browser. Pretty neat, huh? It's very useful for styling your stuff without having to reload all the time. Though again, this only works with styling. As you'll see, it doesn't update the HTML side of things. Maybe in the future though. And that is going to do it for that one. To close here, I'd like to do some fun honorable mentions for Sublime features. The first one is multiple cursors. I love this. Holding Control and clicking will spawn another cursor. It's useful for if you need to edit the same thing into somewhere multiple times. It also has great autocomplete, as you might have noticed as we've been coding today, and automatically will close tags for you to save some hassle. It also works with a lot of different coding languages too. I've used it for Java a long while ago, and I know it works with a lot of other major languages like Python and C++ and etc. etc. One more feature to note is the Go To feature. It lets you search multiple documents or go to a certain line number within the document you're working on. Bring up the search bar with Control P for files, type the name, and for specific lines in the file you're working on, just use a colon there and then type a number. Useful stuff if you want to get around quick. That's going to do it, y'all. Thanks for watching my introductory video to Sublime. Hope it was useful. It's a great text editor, and I haven't even scratched the surface of the full extent of the features within it. If you want to try Sublime 3, you can go to their website and download it. It's completely free. Anyway, that's it for me, and remember, time is a social construct.